for Sassy, 1 point for Randy, second ball for Randy, 2 points for Randy, 2 points for Sassy, third ball for Randy, and for the lead, that is leading. Alright, so trainer Aaron, what can you say about that? That you won. It wasn't a race. So here's the thing. Trainer Aaron is asking for another race. What can you say about that?
Are you sure about that?